The 18th century, a time of powdered wigs and revolutionary ideas. It was the Enlightenment, an era when reason challenged tradition. It was a time when science began to illuminate the mysteries of the universe. And in the heart of this intellectual ferment lived Jean-Laurent d'Alembert, an illegitimate child who rose to become one of the most influential minds of his time. D'Alembert was a true polymath, his intellect spanning mathematics, physics, music, and philosophy. He made groundbreaking contributions to the understanding of motion, sound, and the very fabric of knowledge. His work on the Encyclopedie, a monumental effort to compile all human knowledge, helped spread the light of reason across Europe and beyond. But D'Alembert's life was not just about equations and theories. It was a life marked by personal struggles, intellectual rivalries, and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of truth. He challenged the established order, questioned religious dogma, and championed the power of human reason. D'Alembert's story is a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and leave an indelible mark on the world. It is a story that continues to inspire us today, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds, and that even the most challenging circumstances can give birth to extraordinary minds. Jean-Laurent d'Alembert's life began inauspiciously. Born in Paris in 1717, he was the illegitimate son of an aristocratic writer and a salon hostess. Abandoned on the steps of a church, he was named after the saint on whose doorstep he was found. Despite his humble beginnings, d'Alembert's innate intelligence couldn't be ignored. He was adopted by a modest glazier's family, who recognized his potential and ensured he received a proper education. Young d'Alembert devoured knowledge, excelling in mathematics and the classics. His education was far from traditional. While attending the Jansenist College des Quatre Nations, d'Alembert found his true calling in the world of mathematics. He devoured the works of Newton, Leibniz, and other giants of the scientific revolution, his mind captivated by the elegant language of numbers and equations. D'Alembert's early years were a testament to the transformative power of education. They showed that brilliance could blossom even in the most unlikely of places, nurtured by the curiosity of an inquiring mind and the support of those who believed in his potential. These formative experiences shaped the man who would go on to challenge the intellectual landscape of his time. D'Alembert's true passion lay in the world of mathematics. He possessed an extraordinary ability to see patterns and connections, to unravel complex problems with elegance and precision. His contributions to mathematics were profound, laying the groundwork for future generations of mathematicians and physicists. One of his most significant achievements was in the field of partial differential equations, mathematical expressions that describe a wide range of physical phenomena. D'Alembert developed powerful new techniques to solve these equations, opening up new avenues of exploration in fields like fluid dynamics, heat transfer, and acoustics. His name is forever etched in the annals of mathematics through the D'Alembertian operator, a fundamental tool used in fields like physics and engineering. This operator, denoted by a square symbol, provides a concise and powerful way to express relationships between different physical quantities. D'Alembert also made significant contributions to the understanding of infinite series, developing the ratio test, a crucial tool for determining whether an infinite sum converges to a finite value. This test remains a cornerstone of calculus, taught to students around the world. D'Alembert's mathematical genius extended beyond the abstract realm of numbers. He saw mathematics as the language of the universe, a tool for deciphering the hidden harmonies of the natural world. His work in physics, particularly in the areas of sound and motion, demonstrated the power of mathematics to explain the world around us. One of his most celebrated contributions was his work on the wave equation, a mathematical expression that describes how waves, whether they be sound waves, light waves, or water waves, propagate through space and time. D'Alembert's insights into the wave equation were groundbreaking, providing a unified framework for understanding a wide range of physical phenomena. He also made significant contributions to the field of fluid mechanics, studying the motion of fluids and developing equations that describe their behavior. His work in this area had practical applications in fields like shipbuilding and hydraulic engineering. D'Alembert's investigations into the nature of sound led him to develop a theory of harmony, exploring the mathematical relationships between musical notes and chords. He saw music as a manifestation of the underlying mathematical order of the universe, a symphony of vibrations governed by precise laws. Section 5. The Encyclopédie, a universe in print. While D'Alembert's contributions to mathematics and physics were groundbreaking, his influence extended far beyond the realm of pure science. He was a passionate advocate for the Enlightenment, embracing its ideals of reason, progress, and the pursuit of knowledge. His most enduring contribution to the Enlightenment was his role as co-editor of the Encyclopédie, a monumental project that aimed to compile all human knowledge into a single, comprehensive work. The Encyclopédie was more than just a dictionary or encyclopedia. It was a revolutionary act, a declaration that knowledge should be free, accessible to all, and not bound by tradition or dogma. D'Alembert's contributions to the Encyclopédie were vast. He wrote hundreds of articles on topics ranging from mathematics and physics to music, philosophy, and history. He also penned the Discours préliminaire, a stirring introduction that laid out the philosophical underpinnings of the project and championed the power of reason to illuminate the world. The Encyclopédie was met with fierce opposition from the Church and other conservative forces, who saw it as a threat to their authority. But despite censorship and controversy, the Encyclopédie became a symbol of the Enlightenment, its pages spreading the light of reason across Europe and beyond. Section 6. A philosopher of science and society. D'Alembert's intellect was not confined to the realm of science. He was also a profound philosopher, grappling with questions about the nature of knowledge, the relationship between science and society, and the role of reason in human affairs. He believed that all knowledge could be organized into a hierarchical system, with mathematics at its foundation. He saw mathematics as the most certain and rigorous form of knowledge, a model for other disciplines to emulate. This belief in the power of mathematics to illuminate the world permeated his work, from his scientific treatises to his philosophical writings. D'Alembert was also a staunch advocate for the separation of church and state. He believed that religious dogma had no place in the realm of science and that reason, not revelation, should be the guiding principle in matters of knowledge. This stance brought him into conflict with the church, but he remained a vocal critic of religious intolerance and superstition throughout his life. He believed that the pursuit of knowledge was not merely an intellectual exercise, but a moral imperative. He saw science and reason as tools for improving the human condition, for alleviating suffering, and for creating a more just and equitable society. Section 7. Clash of the Titans, D'Alembert and Rousseau. The Enlightenment was not a monolithic movement. It was a time of intense intellectual debate, with thinkers often clashing over fundamental questions about human nature, society, and the role of reason. One of the most famous intellectual rivalries of the Enlightenment was between D'Alembert and his one-time friend and fellow encyclopedist, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Their disagreement stemmed from fundamental differences in their worldviews. D'Alembert, a staunch rationalist, believed in the power of reason to understand and improve the world. Rousseau, on the other hand, was suspicious of reason, arguing that it often led to alienation and the suppression of natural emotions. Their conflict came to a head over the issue of theater. D'Alembert, in his article on Geneva for the Encyclopédie, praised the city for allowing theater, which he saw as a tool for moral education. Rousseau, in a scathing rebuttal, argued that theater corrupted morals and promoted artificiality. The D'Alembert-Rousseau debate went beyond a disagreement about theater. It reflected a deeper tension within the Enlightenment itself, a tension between those who saw reason as the ultimate arbiter of truth and those who believed that other human faculties, such as emotion and intuition, also played a vital role in understanding the world. Section 8. The Enduring Legacy of a Polymath. Jean-Laurent D'Alembert's life was a testament to the power of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. From his humble beginnings as an abandoned child, he rose to become one of the most influential minds of his time, leaving an indelible mark on mathematics, physics, philosophy, and the intellectual landscape of the Enlightenment. His contributions to mathematics were profound, laying the groundwork for future generations of mathematicians and physicists. His work on the wave equation, the D'Alembertian operator, and the ratio test remain cornerstones of these fields, taught to students around the world. His role as co-editor of the encyclopedia helped spread the light of reason across Europe and beyond, challenging established authority and championing the free exchange of ideas. His philosophical writings grappled with fundamental questions about the nature of knowledge, the relationship between science and society, and the role of reason in human affairs. D'Alembert's legacy extends far beyond his specific scientific and philosophical contributions. He embodied the spirit of the Enlightenment, a spirit of intellectual curiosity, critical thinking, and a belief in the power of human reason to understand and improve the world. Section 9. D'Alembert's Torch, Illuminating the Future. As we stand on the precipice of the 21st century, facing new challenges and opportunities, D'Alembert's legacy continues to resonate. His unwavering commitment to the pursuit of knowledge, his belief in the power of reason, and his dedication to the betterment of humanity serve as guiding lights in our own time. In a world grappling with complex scientific problems, from climate change to artificial intelligence, D'Alembert's spirit of inquiry and his belief in the power of mathematics to unravel the mysteries of the universe inspire us to seek innovative solutions. His championing of the free exchange of ideas and his defense of intellectual freedom remind us of the importance of open dialogue and the dangers of censorship. In an era of misinformation and echo chambers, D'Alembert's legacy calls on us to be critical thinkers, to question assumptions, and to embrace the diversity of thought. D'Alembert's life was a testament to the transformative power of education. He showed that brilliance could blossom even in the most unlikely of places, nurtured by the curiosity of an inquiring mind and the support of those who believed in his potential. His story reminds us that education is not merely about transmitting knowledge, but about empowering individuals to think critically, to question the world around them, and to become agents of change. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, let us carry D'Alembert's torch of enlightenment, illuminating the path towards a brighter future. Let us embrace his spirit of curiosity, his dedication to reason, and his belief in the power of human ingenuity to overcome the challenges that lie ahead.